everyone. Good evening. Welcome to Pahuja Law Academy. This is Gini Rajvanshi with yet another interesting video for all of you today. So, the topic for today is Uniform Civil Code, and we will try to understand the benefits of Uniform Civil Code. What are the challenges that will come or that are supposed to come, wherein we will see that how Uniform Civil Code will play a great role in changing the religious dynamics of India. Okay, so starting with Uniform Civil Code and some of a brief historical background, we all know that in Article 44 of the Indian Constitution, Uniform Civil Code has been defined. It is a directive principle of state policy wherein states are directed to make such a code. As we all know, there are many states like Goa, Uttarakhand, who has already adopted Uniform Civil Code. Now, the question that is coming in picture is that Uniform Civil Code should be applied to the whole of India. The major setback here is if I go about to the historical background, we have various series of judgments. As we can see, that we all know first judgment was the Shahabano judgment, right? Wherein for the first time in 1985, it was defined by the Supreme Court that even a Muslim woman can demand maintenance from a Muslim husband, wherein specifically, even in the Muslim laws, it is not given, right? The second case was Sarla Mudgal versus Union of India, wherein it was specifically stated by the Supreme Court that Uniform Civil Code should be applied to India. And we all know the latest Supreme Court judgment, that is the Shaira Bano versus Union of India 2017, wherein with the usage of Uniform Civil Code, the triple talaq was banned. Now, again and again, the question is coming towards the benefits of Uniform Civil Code, that what benefits finally Uniform Civil Code will play in the picture. So, see, the first benefit as we see will be it will promote the real secularism. We, as being an Indian, promote secularism, and in preamble it is specifically mentioned. So, secularism means no religion at all will be favored. With the help of Uniform Civil Code, we can achieve it. So, first point is it will promote real secularism. Second, it will definitely provide or help in the gender justice, and it will help the rights of women accomplishment, because we all know that in the personal laws, be it Hindu laws or Muslim laws, there are certain arenas or certain loopholes in the rights of women. That is because of what the gender justice comes into the picture. When we talk about the third point, that every modern nation has it now. You talk about any modern nation, it does not believe in religious politics. It specifically believes in the promotion of national politics and without any religion involved. Also, we being the constitutional law person, we follow the constitutional law in India. It is the law of the land. It specifically states that equality, justice, fraternity should be applied. UCC will definitely adhere to these principles. Now, discussing apart from the benefits of UCC, the actual problem comes, what are the legal challenges that they are going to be faced by the implementation of UCC? क्या लीगल चैलेंजेस हमें फेस करने पड़ेंगे इफ the government that is now in power is striking towards the implementation of UCC? So, according to me, the first challenge will be the reconciliation of the diverse personal laws. This is the main question that has to be answered, that the personal laws that are so diverse in India, be it the Muslim law or Hindu law or any other regional religious laws, we have to make them all diversified. We have to respect all of them, have to bring them together in one umbrella. When I say one umbrella, that means we have to respect the laws of all the religion. Second problem that we are going to face will be in the arena of Article 14. As we say, we will be striking towards the gender justice, specifically rights for the women. But we also need to keep in mind that Article 14 is also there, right to equality. We cannot exceed the basic fundamental right of right to equality. And yes, the third thing is judiciary will play a big role, definitely a big yes in this picture. Judiciary will see to it that the implementation of UCC is a part and in picture with all the religious laws. Like, for example, there was a Sabrimala judgment, and it was specifically stated that when it is a talk of essentiality test, the court or any other government can never interfere in the religious, essential religious practice of any religion. You can only interfere in the secular religious practice. So when court gave this landmark judgment, it made sure that despite being the UCC into picture, you can never interfere in the essential religious practice of any religion. Now, talking about the public opinion regarding the UCC, there are both positive and negative responses coming in picture, but when we see the statistics, it is more of a positive response because this is the need of the hour. This is the need of the time where UCC should be implemented in order, in order to remove or eliminate any kind of religious politics in India. And yes, in toto, it will be a positive step coming forward. But yes, judiciary will always play a check and balance role if in case it expands or if it in case interferes in the special or essential religious laws or the arena. So I hope I was able to cover a comprehensive part of Uniform Civil Code, the landmark judgments, the historical background, what will be the benefits, and how the judiciary will play an important part in the UCC implementation. Please do like the video, subscribe and comments, and please share it forward. Thank you and have a nice day.